Hi and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you that how you can download new font on Android smartphone. So without wasting any time, let's begin our video. First thing, you need to go to the settings on your phone. Then in the search bar, type font. Once you type font, you need to scroll a bit where you will find the option font style. Tap on it. As you can see, it is set by default. Once you tap on that one, here are the list of fonts available on your phone, but if you want to download another one, just tap on download new font. It will bring you here. You will find many categories. Here is top paid, top free. Suppose I just tap on here, and suppose I want to download this one just for the sake of the video. Just tap on the download option. It will start downloading and will take a bit of time to install. Once the installation is done, just tap on it. And if you want to apply this one, just tap on apply. And now it was applied to your phone as well. Now if I go back, so as you can see now the font is also changed. So guys, this is how you can download new fonts on Android smartphone. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.